Hi everyone, if you're switching to a new phone or just want to keep your chats safe, TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer is your best choice. With TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer, you can transfer WhatsApp between iOS devices without erasing data. Now it supports Line, Kik, and Viber for backup, restore, and export as well. Not just text messages, TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer allows you to transfer any file data you want, including photos, videos, contacts, files, and others. Whether it's a voice memo from a friend online or a funny sticker in a Kik group chat, you can keep everything exactly the way it was. You can also back up all your data from your iPhone to your PC, and your data will be securely stored. No iCloud, no storage limits. And if you want to export your chats later, it's just as easy. TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer can help you export your desired WhatsApp chats and contacts as HTML or CSV files. All data can also be saved in their original formats. In addition, TunesKit allows you to restore data from previous backups stored on your computer directly to your iPhone with ease. Each backup is stored independently. So next, let's see how to use it step by step. First, select the social app you're using. Then connect both your source and target devices to the computer. Click Transfer. Then click Continue. Next, the transfer will begin. Make sure to unlock the screen on your source device when prompted. After a few minutes, all your data will be successfully transferred. Click the link in the description to download it today and start protecting your memories the smart way.